Iepa lagunok ongi etorri berriz ere egun honetako bigarren zuzeneko honetara, izatez konturatu naiz hasierako misioak eta abar jokatuak nituela, baina kanalera ez igo eta orduan jokatu ditugu berriz ere. Beraz, partida eta ziko gara hasieratik heldu garen zonaldera arte gutxi gora bera, beraz, aurrera goaz. Bai.
Alright, everybody pays attention. No one gets hurt.
Go! Open the door! They'll get worse than hurt! Hey! Hey! Ah! Come on! Finally!
Don't do any crap!
Let's go!
Zergatik ez da entzuten?
Oh, shut up! Shut the fuck up! Come on! In the back! Come on! Come on!
Hands behind your back.
Oh, come on, mister. We're giving you everything you want.
Don't even think about it.
I'll do it, I'll do it. Oh, God.
Get in there.
Sit tight! I'll handle the plastic!
Don't blow yourself up. Listen up. Hurry!
In the back. Come on.
What's he doing?
M, get these assholes in the closet.
Leave us alone. We didn't do shit to you.
I said the closet. Get them in there. Come on.
What is the problem? Why are they still out here? You were meant to lock them down! All set! Phone it in!
I'm making the call.
All right, we gonna do this? Huh? Show me the money!
Slow and steady, T. Slow and steady.
Vale, base.
That's the score! There's enough here for us all to enjoy.
Depends on how you look at it.
Come on, move it! Coming out, B!
Give it up! I got him! I saw your face. I'll remember you.
You get 1,000 things every day. How about you make sure this is one of them?
I've seen his eyes. He's crazy.
No one's crazy. Right? Think.
He...
Cool.
Fuck! You didn't have to do that.
Let's get going! There'll be time for grieving later!
Yeah, you got that right.
Come on!
I'm setting the charges. They're on a timer, so brace yourselves.
Oh, fuck, you hear that? Sirens.
Fuck the cops. T, hit the shutter switch. Heads down. We gotta go.
Move! We're coming through! Get out of the way!
We keep going forward.
Drop it, prick!
They answered the wrong call!
Get in their faces.
What the fuck is this?
Wrong profession!
Unbelievable!
I ain't laying down for them!
Don't be an idiot! Back the fuck down!
We bring it to them!
Come on, guys! Don't be as dumb as you look!
Press forward!
Get out of here! Get out of the way or suffer the consequence!
Move! Move! Move!
Fuck you, buddy!
Let's get out of here!
Can't be many more cops in this town!
Bring them!
This is... Fuck, man! The thing is full! I got my share! It's still wide open!
Cars up here! Let's go!
Move!
Rechazo. Ya bueno.
Oh, shit! You shouldn't have been a cop!
Dumb fucking cops!
Get down! Blame the pricks who called you out here! Oh!
Fuck these guys! Move! We're coming through!
Get out of the way!
We keep going forward!
Drop it, prick! They answered the wrong call!
Get in their faces!
What the fuck is this? Wrong profession!
I ain't laying down for them!
Don't be an idiot! Back the fuck down!
We bring it to them!
Holy smokes! Holy cow!
be many more cops in this town!
Bring him! This is fucked, man! The thing is blown!
I got my share! It's still wide open!
Car's up here! Let's go!
Move! Come on!
The kid might have failed! This wasn't in the job description! To the car!
He better be there!
Let's move! Come on!
Let's move it!
You idiot!
Hey, what took you so long?
Shut the fuck up and drive!
Woo! Did you see that shit? I fucking put that bitch's face against the glass. Did you see that? Yeah, you're a real stout.
Fuck, how'd that happen?
Jeez, I think they're gonna... Oh, fuck! Look, we almost spotted!
Guy's a dick!
Fuck you! Fuck you!
Come on, let's get to the chopper! We move quick, we can beat the train!
We're getting there! Cops! Coming our way!
Be cool! They ain't made this car yet!
Man, I'll believe in this bird when I get eyes on it! Shit! Roadblock!
Go right! Beat the train, man!
You guys alright?
Fuck! Come on! Ditch the car, alright? We can go this way to the chopper.
No! Hey! Stick to the plan!
What?
Stick to the fucking plan! Come on! Where the fuck's the chopper? Fuck. I'm gonna check around back. Ah!
Oh, the fucking bed! Someone must have fucking talked!
Hey, Brad's gonna be fine. We gotta get the fuck out of here. Ah! Fuck! I'm hit. Oh, Jesus. T, you gotta get out of here.
I'm gonna leave you, Mikey!
Go! God, I'm not gonna be. I'm fucking gonna bleed out. Let's go.
No! Come on! Come on! I'm standing here! Finish me! Motherfuckers! Hey, you! Hey!
Don't shoot!
Where's the chopper?
I don't know what you're talking about!
Fucking stay back! You come near me, she's fucking dead! Stay back!
God, help me! Help!
Go! Go!
Vale, y ese dute.
Michael was not always a good husband, not always a good citizen. He did not die a hero's death, but he was a man. Our Lord was crucified with 2 thieves. So perhaps we should not judge. We are born of sin and we die in sin. And in this, Michael is like anybody else. Father, we do not know your infinite mysteries, but we know that you will show mercy to our friend.
Vale, oso ondo. Orain bigarren zonaldera Franklinekin jolastuko duguna. Vale. Bai. Apur bat fresko izateko memorian.
Your son, James. He's a good kid.
He's a good kid? A good kid? Why? Does he help the fucking poor? No. He sits on his ass all day, smoking dope and jerking off while he plays that fucking game. If that's our standard for goodness, no wonder this country's screwed.
And what about you?
What about me? Hey. I don't have the advantages that kid has. By the time I was his age, I'd already been in prison twice. I robbed banks. I ran whores. I smuggled dope.
And you consider them achievements?
These were the opportunities I had. At least I took them.
And where did these opportunities get you, Michael?
They got me right fucking here. The end of the road. With a big house and a useless kid, and I'm stuck talking to you because no one else gives a shit. Oh, I'm living a dream, baby. And that dream is fucked. It is fucking fucked.
Let it all out.
I think I just did.
Oh. Well, I think that's all we have time for. The same time next week?
I guess. Oh. I gotta tell you, I ain't too sure this shit is working for me.
Well, a sense of Overriding futility is a vital part of the process. Embrace it.
Whatever you say, Doc. I know just how you feel.
Man, shit gotta be around here somewhere.
Unless they buried it under the sand, fool. Another brilliant Lamar Davis production.
Man, fuck you. Hey, excuse me, homie. Can you tell me where Berto's beach house is?
No, homie, I cannot.
Man, won't you come on? Fuck.
Actually, yeah. It's that house right there, with the yellow stairs.
Yeah. Good looking out, homie. Appreciate it.
Man, get your stupid ass on. Damn. Why don't you ask him if he knows the fucking owner? Or better yet, do some skywriting that reads there's a couple niggas here about to boost some cars in case somebody didn't realize.
See, what you don't realize is we ain't boosting. This shit is legit business.
Legit? Oh yeah, I forgot, huh? 401ks, tax returns and all? Yeah, right.
You the one all pumped up on doing this lick, nigga. I'm getting my money in the hood. I'm straight, fool. I'm cool.
You cool? Cool what? Slinging dope and throwing up gang signs? Yeah, right.
Whatever, homie. Yeah, homie. This the spin knot right here. Your boy Simeon wasn't bullshit.
Man, get your ass in there.
You bring your ass, fool. Always trying to boss somebody.
Come on. Come on. Shit, come on.
Damn. This nigga must got the baby dick.
Yeah, and all this shit paid for with bad credit.
Come to daddy. Which one you want, nigga? You always was old choosy, motherfucker. Oh, you ballin' hard with the drop top, huh?
I might just be.
Whatever, nigga. It ain't gonna make you go no faster. Hit me on the speakerphone. I'm moving.
Oh, it's like that, nigga?
Right up here, homie. I'm about to go nice and slow for your bitch ass.
Yeah, whatever you say. Hey, remember we gotta be careful with these rides, homie. The Simeon ain't about to dock my pay again.
Homie, man, if you need some bread, I can hook you up with JB's tow truck. It ain't got glamour, but it's some money to be made.
So him and Tanya can smoke crack in peace? Homie, I'm good.
Loco, any ticket we get gon' go on that fool license.
Well, in that case, we might as well enjoy ourselves.
Right.
Uh-huh.
Right, homie.
Okay.
I'm schooling your ass, boy.
Hey, I'll come at you from the shoulders, homie.
Hey, down this alley here.
Shit, cool, homie.
Remember, this is your Terrier's car.
Please, homie.
Left here.
Yeah, that's cool.
Oh, shit!
This is your partner, Big Boom.
To the left.
Don't you
Fine.
Don't you die on me.
Woo! You want to get whips like this, you gotta stay on your grid 9.
Nigga into some time over nickels and dimes? I stick to repos, dog.
This meant to be your shit.
Whatever you say.
We going right.
Alright.
Left here, we going through the parking lot.
What? I hear you. Man, shit!
I'm gonna make a withdrawal, homie.
You dumb motherfucker, that's the Union Depository. What you going slow up the road for, dog? Move over so the traffic can flow through.
Whatever, nigga. I'll let something flow through your ass.
Dog, I ain't too sure that joke works, dog.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit, the one time.
Be cool, fool. We got some paperwork.
Whatever, you explain that shit. I'll see you at the dealership.
Explain that shit my ass. This don't make no fucking sense.
Spectacular fashion by getting certified. Don't believe believe what you hear, flying is easy. It's mostly autopilot anyway. Click a few buttons, set the destination, and hanging back with the ladies. Imagine how hot she'll get when you tell her you can leave for a tropical paradise. Plane. Always wanted to get into the exciting international courier business? You need to fly. Tired of dealing with the horrible airlines and their graying pilots? Get your pilot's license. A turbulence-free future is yours. The San Andreas Flight School.
No drive humping or drive snitching. You are on 1061. For that Radio Los Santos. Man, where the cornbread at, schoolboy? That's all right, brother. We got you covered. Collard Green, Schoolboy Q, Radio Los Santos. Let you read. Chitty ching ching, goodbye anything. Got that. Collard Green. 3 degrees, no, make it hot for me. Drop that. Yeah, yeah. Shit, stop this. Yeah, with the shit. Yeah, with the shit. Yeah, smoke this, drink this, straight to my lover. Watch this, no tick. Yeah, I'm the nigga gang rap. X-Smith smoke shots, I deliver faded. Vegas might sponsor the killer, shake it, break it. Fuck up in the drop it, cop it. Eyes locked on you in the object. Rock it, blast, new beginnings, lovely. Pinky, how not? I remember fiending. Gimme some. Freak the freckles off your face. Frenchy freaking swapping tongues. My link is spread your buns. Lose your then don't make it numb. Blow it, baby, no Saddam. Icky. Oh, fucking in the car service. Thank you for the carpool. Chromosome thoughtful. Probably off a narco and gas, not the arco. Poppin' since the intro. You shopping from the window. Play my favorite tempo. Let you read. Chitty ching ching. Goodbye anything. Cop that. Collard greens. 3 degrees, no, make it hot for me. Drop that. Yeah. Shit, stop this. Yeah, with the shit. Hey, yeah, with the shit. Yeah, with the shit.
This your favorite song. Translation, ven aquí mami, así culo. No quiero comer mi huevo, si papi mores, espero chuparse puto pendejo, el pinche cabrón. Let's get it nice like this, I'm a night like this. Sword in my hand, I fight like this, and I'm more than a man, I'm a god. Bitch, touche on guard. Two-pay drop and a two-tits pop out of that tank top and bra. And when I say do, bitch, that BK. She wants some more, this I give her more, this I more, this in fact I know she missed the way I floored. This in focus, I know my Houston partners drop a 4. This in focus, it's all down. Alright, let me blow this bitch, I'm famous.
I don't get you, bro.
You are a racist and I don't like you. And I will not sell you this car. I will not. You make my skin crawl, you neo-Nazi. You are all the same. This racist insulted me.
Hey, what's up, fool? Who you calling a nigga?
No, I'm not calling nobody a nigga.
Wait, what the fuck?
I mean, N-word. That's not cool, man. I don't say that.
You fucking right, and you better keep it right, because this man right here, he's an international businessman, a multiculturalist.
That I could not have said better myself. But seriously, maybe he's not a racist. But I don't think that he is man enough for a car like this.
Wait a second.
This guy right here, him, get him a hybrid. That's a real man's car.
I think you are right, Lamar. You get a tax rebate. I understand. Money is an issue, eh?
Money isn't an issue.
This is the best part. Watch this when he real him in. He gonna get all his full money. Watch this.
Look, man, I gotta go. Hey, Simeon, I'm out. I'll holler at you, homie.
It's the best part, man.
So, Jimmy, are you sure you are man enough? Take the wheel and show me.
Sure, okay.
How about we fall through, homie?
Gold dress, come on your face, call it a Protex. Come on your face, call it a Protex. Fast life, fast drive, fast live.
This chump change. How I'm gonna knock a bad, grown and sexy bitch if I ain't got a fat Pizzaki?
Who you trying to impress?
Your auntie Denise, with all that ass, nigga, she got ass.
She grown, yeah. She grown into a fucking idiot.
No, she's sexy.
Sexy? She more like obsessed with sex, nigga.
Nah, mad for the penis. That's exactly how I like my women.
Girl ride on the bike, the feature are fast. Light up a spliff, the reefer are grass. Right from inna the bar, me need a half flask. Pretty brown girl, she really half gas. The Chanel champagne, Louis Vuitton glass. She redefine her art task. Jamaica flag, no fly, no half mass. Fuck from 5, we reach a half past. Girl come, wet up me dark locks. No shoot for misty dog marks. Me no cause injuries, the guys are cause cops. We run the race before the car start talks. Any white line, we run the asphalt.
Man, shit, it's good to be home.
Fast life, fast everything. Fast car, fast door, fast night. So high, fast everything. Speed of light. Speed of light.
What's up? Can a low come up in your crib?
Man, fuck you. I'll see you at work.
Oh, nigga, don't hate me because I'm beautiful, nigga. Maybe if you got rid of that old yee-yee-ass haircut you got, you get some bitches on your dick. Oh, better yet, maybe Tanisha will call your dog ass if she ever stop fucking with that brain surgeon, the lawyer she fucking with, nigga.
What? Oh, motherfucker.
Ooh, honey. Y'all telling me? Oh, he here. We living on top of each other, and it ain't right. Shoo! Shoo! Get on out of here! Okay, baby. I see you at the thing. You hear? I was on the phone, boy. Don't be listening. Goddamn freeloader.
Vamos a dejar en tu teléfono aquí engordáis la partida.
Nothing by it. Stupid ass motherfucker.
Damn, how did that girl not fall over?
Ba, beno, lagunok hori izan dira misioak, hau izan den zuzenekoa, historiak izateko, ez,